Sir, all I see are your balls.
Oh my god. Don't look, I'm embarrassed.
So I wanted to try the new content in Zenith, but I never played much of Zenith at release because, you know, I already played a ton of it in alpha and beta, and all of my progress reset at release. Plus, the beta I played was almost identical to the game at release, so there wasn't much there for me to try that was new. But now we have all of this brand new content in the first major update, and I really wanted to try it to see if Zenith actually became a game that I would enjoy. But to do the new content and save and all the checkpoints, you have to be at least level 20, and I was sitting there all the way down at level like 2. So to try the new content, I had to grind harder than a horny teenager on prom night. So for 2 weekends straight, I got some friends together and we all grinded. We grinded together, on each other, by ourselves. We grinded hard. It was a mess.
I am not an expert in like MMOs or RPGs, but those don't look right. Okay, the base of the sword is right here in your hand, and the tip of it is right here for me.
Dude, that is no. They're way bigger than, they're super huge on me.
Bro, it's okay. It's okay to be small.
No, it's not okay. I'm gonna hit you.
It's more about how you use it than the size.
Oh.
I'm ready to go out and do stuff. Oh, dude, you don't have pants on.
That's what I've been doing this whole time.
You've just been running around pantsless.
Yes, I have.
That doesn't seem like a good strategy to like, not take damage.
Dude, it's giving me mobility, okay?
It's really unsatisfying when you grab a key, put it there, and then nothing happens. Like you're freeing prisoners, but nobody comes out. You don't even open a door. It's a fucking tent. A tent doesn't need a key. Just cut through it. The bigger ones are like the shadow dancers or some crap like that. Let me see.
Do they even shadow dance though? That's my question.
Only thing I want them to do is shadow dance their thighs around my face.
Yeah, see the chest floating.
How is this always there? How are these glitches still a part of this game this long after? No idea.
Part of the atmosphere, dude.
It's part of the atmosphere.
It's part of the adventure.
Stupid bitch died.
Jesus.
Wow.
She was like a girl on prom night, baby.
Eventually, with a lot of work, we did make it to level 20, which is the minimum level to unlock the checkpoints on the kid-friendly version of Aincrad.
Finally, to the new content. So this is all new, this whole thing that we're walking up right now?
Yep.
It's got a cool aesthetic, nice little purple vibes. I'm into it.
It's perfect. That's perfect, dude. It matches my purple swords I just got, dude.
Matches my girlfriend's purple hair. I can't move. Why won't it let me move? What the fuck? It wouldn't let me move.
No, Panda!
No! What the? No! I jumped! What the fuck? No! I jumped! What the fuck? It's like I'm falling. I jump up, but I'm falling. What? I don't get it.
You're still not in the map.
No! I just literally jumped to it. What the fuck? I'll just do the dash. Fuck this. I'm just dashing over there, but that feels like cheating. Feels like cheating, but I feel like that's the only way I'm gonna get it. Yeah. What?
Instantly
I literally watched you. I literally just watched you fucking just go through that.
No! What the fuck? It's like I jump, but then I'm falling already. Like I don't get it. No!
Oh, not anymore.
I don't understand. What is this?
Just jump to it. No
just jump to it.
Oh. Oh! Don't fly. That's it. Just don't fly. That's literally it. That's literally the secret. Just don't fly. Fuck me for thinking you had to fly. Ooh, I'm getting hyped with the music.
Let's get to the first checkpoint. That's all that matters.
Bro, this view.
I wonder how far I could throw them. Yeet! Come on, Panda. I'll catch you. Come here.
Oh, wait.
Give me your hand.
Oh, no! Oh, I barely made it.
Wait. I don't. I think I do.
Oh, my stamina.
That's why I stayed. Okay.
I'm watching you guys first.
Yes! I stood up to grab it, but I got it. I got it. Oh. Okay, gotta climb up to the top right here at the end. Climb up these chains. Why does it feel heavy? Why does it feel heavy? No! No! Alright, I'm going. Bye.
Oh, I am not going that. Nope,
Bye.
I am not going.
Goodbye.
I'm flipping you off.
Wait, I just realized those yellow lines I'm seeing are lava, and the lava is just disappearing. That's so realistic.
Diarrhea is going into the void. Let it be.
Let it be.
At one point, my friend Shortstack tried to show me some of the exploits he found to cheese the obstacle course. Now, I'm a cheese connoisseur. I love cheese in all of its forms. There's nothing better to me than a nice cheese platter with some meat. But I wasn't about to cheese this obstacle course. I had made it to the first checkpoint fair and square, and I was already balls deep. I wasn't about to turn back and cheat my way through.
No, 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 no!
No.
So yeah, after making that mistake, I went back and admittedly I cheesed my way through the rest of the obstacle course with my friend's help. But eventually, we made it to the top, and it was glorious. Now, as much as I hate on this game, I gotta say I did end up having fun playing it with my friends, and for the general atmosphere and aesthetic, Zenith is a 10 out of 10. And while this new content is fun, Zenith doesn't really need new content right now. What Zenith needs is better netcode, so swords and name tags aren't a mile behind players, better character models so my hands don't look so anxious all the time, and somehow they need to make this giant, beautiful world not feel so empty. I don't know what it is, but the world just feels empty. I don't know if it's because of the lack of enemy diversity, the lack of interactable objects or NPCs, I don't know. But it's like they threw in NPCs kind of last minute, several of them being even copies of each other within 10 feet of each other.
Oh, hey, it's my girlfriend.
Whatever.
All right,
Hey,
I
she's
gotta-
over here too. Wait, she has a twin.
She has a twin?
Yeah,
Oh
look.
my goodness.
And the story needs to be told through voice lines, not walls of text that nobody's gonna read. Give these NPCs some life and give life to this beautiful world that you've created. If they do that, if the Zenith devs do that, I think Zenith will actually be a pretty decent game. But until then, I understand why their player base dropped like flies a week after the game release. I wanna thank my YouTube and Patreon members. I don't know why you pay me to grind through games that I don't even enjoy that much, but thank you. I hope you get to the top of the Ironclad Tower on your first try.